Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 5 of me knitting this korshavn sweater in just 7 days. So, yesterday, I took a break. I did not knit at all, okay? Day 5, paused. This is a true day 5. Because yesterday, I was just like, I can't. The pattern is frustrating me way too much. So, I took a break, and I read 2 books. 2 books! Read and finished 2 books. I'm at 42 out of 50 books for the year read and finished, so I'm very excited that I got some of that done, okay? Anyway, but I just took a break. I read all day and all morning this morning. It is currently 12 o'clock. I was so happy. I felt so good. So now I'm ready to tackle this. My goal for today is bind off the top of this. Where is it? Bind off the top of the back yoke panel, because I'm only literally on the last row of it to bind off, and then start and finish the entire front, okay? And then connect the shoulders and knit the collar. That sounds like a lot. It is a lot, and I'm excited because I'm ready. My mojo is like there, okay? I read the pattern, I understand where it's going, so I'm just like, now it's just time to knit, okay? And this is where I left off the last video, yesterday's video, because, you know, you're seeing this daily. Yesterday's video, I left off here, so we're gonna pick it up here. And Kahila is past this part, so I know it's going well. So I'm very excited for this. Let's get going. Yes, I am.
Oh, hi, guys.
Guys, you can guess what's happening right now.
No, they can't.
Guess what she's doing.
Knitting.
Unraveling. Tinking back.
Hey.
Oh, show your project.
Okay, hold on. But first, we must capture Malika having to.
She's
knitting. Pretending she's knitting. Actually, having to unravel and tink back her stitches because she decreased too many stitches.
Yeah.
Shut up! Because she didn't pay attention to what I was telling her.
She's unraveling.
Well,
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm. I need to frog. So I thought the front and back were worked the exact same length. Turns out, no, they're not, okay? The front is worked like 8 centimeters less, basically. And I did 8 centimeters more. I'm literally done with the front before the splitting or binding off for the collar and stuff. So I need to frog up until this. So I need to frog all of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna undo all of those, and annoyingly so. That's a lot to undo. Oh my gosh. That's so much to undo. I don't know if I want to undo it, honestly. That's 7 centimeters. I'm just gonna do the left and the right front just 7 centimeters less, honestly. But then, would that mess with the collar area? It could. Decisions. This is so much. I'm just gonna do it. Guys, it is 2 a.m. right now. Here's what I got done, okay? I bound off the back, obviously. And then I did the entire front. Oh my gosh, no wonder this. I was like, dang, bro, I only did this and it took me this long. But I forgot I did all of that.
Mm-hmm.
And this.
Really?
Yes. Because all I had left was the last row of the back and then the entire front.
Wait, I started my front today too.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
I did all of
This
this
took apple pie.
today.
Yes.
It does all of that
Today
today.
has been long.
Plus this. I didn't do the other side. I'm just gonna pause for now because like this took no time at all. So I'm just gonna take time in the morning before the time that I typically start knitting. And
Girl math.
exactly, if I use the time that I typically don't knit to knit, then by the time I do knit, I can start where I needed to start, you know? But also, I wanted to finish the collar today, but girl, this sweater is so big.
Girl.
Usually,
Mine touches my toes.
okay, I don't see the size of things until it's blocked. This thing is
Girl.
huge. Huge, okay? Like this, girl, this is the collar.
Girl. Girl.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, so that's what I have for tonight. I did a lot, okay? Let me put my stitch stoppers, needle stoppers.
You really call them stitch stoppers?
They stop the stitches.
It's just ugly.
It is. That sounds like needle stoppers.
Reluctantly.
Reluctantly. But yeah, I am tired. I stayed up till 2 a.m. So, you know, I did the do. And tomorrow, I did the do. So tomorrow I will repeat this on the other side, connect the shoulders, do the collar, do the sleeve. It sounds like a lot, but
It is.
day 6, you know, let's just say this little thing, forget that, okay? I have the collar and the sleeve. I think that's doable. I think that's really doable. So, that's all for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good night.